Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening YouTube and signing into the account whose history you want to pause. Once signed in, click your avatar in the top right to access account controls. Make sure you choose the same Google profile you use on devices you want affected. Then select your data in YouTube or go to Manage your Google account and find YouTube privacy settings. This directs you to the activity controls where pause options are available. This gets you straight to the control panel to pause watch and search history. Next, locate the activity controls and tap YouTube history. You will see separate toggles for watch history and search history. Toggle each off to pause. Once you flip a toggle, YouTube will show a confirmation dialog explaining effects. Confirm to apply. Make sure to repeat this on any other signed-in devices to keep behavior consistent. Remember why. Pausing stops further items from being recorded, which affects recommendations and the watch page, but won't delete existing history unless you choose to clear it. Finally, verify the toggles display as paused in activity controls and check that the status reads paused. If you want a clean slate, use the delete options to remove past watch or search entries. If the pause doesn't stick, make sure no other device or extension is overriding settings, sign out and sign back in, disable syncing, or check other Google profiles. If problems persist, clear cache or update the app. Those steps resolve most sync and display glitches related to history controls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.